Hey family, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating. Hey family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we have stewed peas and white rice. Yes, white rice.
Uptown stew peas.
So as usual, this have oxtail, chicken foot, turkey neck, salt beef, and I have to say, I put my foot.
Oh, sorry. I put it in there.
You try to put the napkin and then grab my ass. I put my foot in this. You know, after I set it up, I said to myself, we should have had some salad, but too late now.
Yeah, it's all right. I wanted stew peas. I tell the first to make stew peas. You know what I'm saying? That's what I wanted first and they make it for me. So here what's going to go down tomorrow. We got a wing tomorrow. Wings up on top of wings, and make sure you help us with them tomorrow.
Nothing but wings.
I'm frying them.
Nothing but net.
Nothing but wings. But it's not going to be RFC, but it's going to be the crunch for me. I'm going to try my best. You know? But stay tuned tomorrow. You know what I'm saying? Family.
The best thing is having a husband that can cook. When I come home, food is ready.
I'm not a Tom. Family. This is, yes, it's not red beans and rice. No. Uptown. Stew peas.
It does look like red beans and rice.
But it's not.
So I'm telling you, that's when I made the red beans and rice.
All right. We're eating now.
I'm gonna make some gumbo.
Talk to us for me. Family, I never see somebody could talk like, my gosh, you talk a lot, D.
I do talk a lot. I talk about important shit.
You talk too
much. You talk about boring shit. Who said that? You don't even know.
You're a rapper.
From Housewives of Beverly Hills.
You're a rapper?
Erica said that. You guys watch the series, Housewives of Beverly Hills, or Housewives of New York, or Housewives of Atlanta? You guys watch those stuff?
The lady does. I know they do.
Or I used to love Housewives of Potomac. And I stopped watching it ever since Monique left. Yeah. But Housewives of Beverly Hills and Housewives of New York is my favorite. Atlanta used to be my favorite, but not anymore. Beverly Hills and New York, especially New York, they be getting it. I miss Bethany though.
Which one? Where Bethany come from? Which one?
Housewives of New York.
Oh.
She's the one who came up with Skinny Girls. It's chips, like chef chips, popcorn, drinks, Skinny Girl drinks. She's the one who came up with that.
Really? Did you watch it?
I don't know. I think so.
Family, something sipping on today. Family down here be busted on that too.
That's not black people juice?
Oh yeah, that's me. I want expensive juice. That's expensive, family. That's black people juice. That's expensive juice. That's why we don't buy it. How much you pay for that? Almost $3 for that?
It's in Wally World, so it's like $2.50. Basically almost $3, yeah.
Damn. Needed this.
Ooh.
The first lady said she wanted wings. I gotta make first lady wings, you know?
I just say that. Just wings.
Just wing family.
I don't want no.
Nothing. We just want here just the wings.
Just the wings.
Wings with some. We gonna dip it in whatever we want.
Again.
Wow.
The best way for us to enjoy our food is if we cook what we want to eat. We do that. It's better for us, and then you guys enjoy it better.
What? Sometime, if they do ask us for something, and we do say, yeah, it'd be good. It'd be good sometimes. And then sometimes if we say we don't like it, the substitute, we do substitute.
Yeah.
But if y'all say something, family, and we don't eat it, we're not gonna eat it. We don't eat stuff. We don't like it. We're not gonna make it because we're not gonna enjoy it. So we will ask you in the comment.
What else?
What else do you want to see?
Or we can add substitute like what she said.
Yeah, substitute it because that's one thing, family. If we don't like it, we're not gonna eat it, and y'all gonna tell.
Yeah, we don't like her.
Cause y'all pay attention, you know. So.
But I have to say, the family members, they gave us some good stuff.
Yeah, they did. Real good stuff. That's
they
true.
did.
Appreciate that.
Very much.
Alright.
Man, chew the bone, man.
I got my friend back, but it's like they don't see me. They don't see me yet. You know, but I still rock them, you know? I still show them love.
You can't leave them.
I ain't gonna leave them.
It's hard.
I bust a lot of people on their Twitter.
That's good though.
That's good. It's
okay.
hard to leave them, you know? But
Cause they have a good flavor.
yeah, flavor. But one time, next time, soon they will see me now.
We're too late.
Too late, right?
We're gonna upcharge them.
Yo.
What you guys been doing today?
The maniam taco.
I love tacos. Last time I made tacos, a couple of weeks ago in a video, I got 3 containers of ground chicken. And I said, last time I made 2 containers and it was done. So I'm gonna make 3. That was done. And the kids were like, you didn't make enough. I'm like, I made 3 containers, which is like 3 pounds of ground chicken.
That was gone, son.
It was gone. So,
Real talk.
when I do it, I'm make even more. Because then I can leave it in the fridge and they can make tacos.
Can make stuff out of it. You know what I mean? I'm gonna put it to the good use. Family, it was gone.
I wish you guys could taste this.
Wow.
If you guys taste this, you would say to yourself,
I see why they eat it like that. Yep.
and you would say to yourself, there's no way you didn't put salt or you didn't season this food. And I did not. The only thing I put in here is some crushed black pepper, a couple of that's it.
You don't need it.
Doesn't need it. Ooh.
Miss Gina said she wanted to come to your garage sale.
Yeah?
Miss Gina, you wasn't gonna come nowhere. Even when I tell you to come, you know you wasn't gonna come. Just stop doing that to us. You never gonna come, Miss Gina, right? Are you just saying that? You think Miss Gina gonna come?
Hell no.
See, we know you wasn't gonna come, Miss Gina.
Miss Gina ain't coming. Oh no. If I had to wait for Miss Gina, I wouldn't get my door from IKEA.
Miss Gina, you heard first thing he said? We're gonna pop up on you, don't worry. Hello, Pommy. Yes, family, we do pop-ups too. Yeah. We different. We like that. We do pop-up. We in Hollywood. You know what I'm saying? We not Hollywood, family. So, we do that.
I thought you said you was.
I'm Hollywood.
You're not Hollywood today.
They know we do pop-up. A lot of some of our family members could vouch for us. They know that. You know what I'm saying? We does that sometime, you know? It ain't nothing. We ain't bigger than nobody. We ain't better than nobody else. You know what I'm saying? Oxtail. Big up to my Jamaican area. Don't know the things that are first they rook up the things, you see me? Uptown oxtail is. Wow. It's the bone for me. That's up on the bone, man.
I know some me love it so.
I know. I know that. I see.
You're naughty. That's what you say?
Yeah, you're getting bad.
Honey?
You're naughty. Yellow pun.
You think I will see you, Richard?
What?
You can go on.
You're naughty, I'm not. Family, I want to dye my hair. What color do you think I should dye it? Tell me, comment down. What color should I dye it? Let me see if that's what I had in mind. Yo, you know what to do, you know?
Food, right?
Nice, man. Wow. That's one thing first lady could throw down, son.
I could throw down, man.
Damn.
That's a salt beef.
For me.
That got salt beef?
You know how far we had to go down to get the salt beef? And she had to get the special salt beef?
They sell it here where we live too, but I don't like the one here. I feel like it's not salty enough. And I feel like it tastes weird.
Yeah.
So, when we go to Fort Lauderdale, I stop at Bravo Meat Market, I get like 4 or 5 of them.
Comment down. Who want us to pull up on them? Let me see if you are serious.
Oh, God.
You know, I love testing them, you know? You don't love testing them? First lady, you don't love testing the family members. They're not real like that. I want to see. Whoever wants us to pull up on them, let us know.
We owe Twin Green a pull up.
Twin Green, no, it's all love.
Pull up.
Don't worry, Twin Green. We're gonna link up. Trust me. When we're gonna link up, it's gonna be a showdown. Huh?
I can tell.
If we
link up with Twin Green,
it's gonna be vibing.
we're gonna be all
Yes,
all
that's what I like. You know what I'm saying?
eating.
All over. That's what I like. But you know,
Make sure you have money, you know.
Twin Green, we're gonna pull up. You know?
Because I want to eat.
Trust me. We're probably gonna come to New York too. You wanna eat? You have money?
You have money.
But yeah, family member, we like to meet our family members there, man. You know what I'm saying? Huh? So yeah, support us.
But that's how it is too.
Yeah. I like that. They support us, and so it's so hard seeing them. You know what I'm saying? You know what I mean? So that's what I'm saying. Wow.
Did I do a video on how to make stew peas? I don't think I did because it takes a while.
That'll take a while.
Next time I make stew peas, I'm gonna make a video on how I cook it. How is it?
Excellent, like always.
Was it guava pineapple?
What the juice you had about?
Yeah.
Yeah, guava, pineapple. Guava, pineapple. Yeah. Yep. You full? I always enjoy my food, but I enjoy this one because it's 2 piece.
You know what I'm gonna make soon? Curry something, because I love me some curry.
Wow.
That's not bad. We had lasagna yesterday. Now we're having stew peas.
Chicken tomorrow.
Stew peas take like 4 hours. And you have to baby it. So if you're in a rush, don't make stew peas. Oh wow.
Bust it.
My favorite part is the chicken foot. Oh my. Mmm. Mm.
No big fuck.
Where's your bones? And napkin?
Soon as you go in your bed, I'm going to my bed, son.
Oh God. You tired like that, honey?
Rough week. All right.
It was.
I enjoy as always. You know what I'm saying?
And you had a lot of food.
Food. That was good though. That was delicious. That was beautiful.
I love water. I don't know how people can't drink water.
You still eating? Or are you done?
Are you finished or are you done?
Anyone you want to say no? I'm done and finished.
You can do your wild mother.
Woo. Wow, that feels so good. I just want to hit that bed, son.
I know.
Take me a nap.
You gonna edit? Pig.
I don't do that.
What?
That's not my job. My job is to come in and sit down and eat food. That's what you pay me
I'm
for.
gonna show you. What pay you what?
But let's talk. Oh, I'm not gonna tell him yet until I do something on it first, right?
What?
You
gonna pay me?
My stuff what I'm doing. I'm gonna
Oh
start
yeah,
making food.
yeah.
Alright.
So you gonna pay me?
I got something for you, but I can't tell you yet. I'm gonna pay you.
And he gonna pay me.
Yeah. All right, family. As I said, you know, we'd be blabbering, I'm out talking all kind of stuff, but
Today we didn't do much talking today.
yeah. Remember this.
I know y'all be thinking I be messing with you all the time, but you gotta understand.
Remember.
20 years, okay?
I don't listen to her.
I hear him say the same things over and over again
So
for
like your
20 years.
Yeah, like your freaking years if you don't want to hear my.
I would. Don't you ever? I would.
You gonna stop me? Family, you see that? Y'all see that, right? Okay.
Stop showing off.
All right, family. First, listen.
Boy.
Family, listen now. Real talk.
That's my love. Go ahead. Sorry.
I want you to listen. Family, one beautiful heart is better than 1,000 beautiful faces. You know what I'm saying?
Good thing I'm both.
Yes, you got everything. You're both.
Yeah.
So if you could relate, if you're both, relate. See, first I just said it. Relate. If you're both, relate. So I'm going to say it again for you, okay, family? Real talk now. One beautiful heart is better than 1,000 beautiful faces. So if y'all can relate, y'all relate. You know what I'm saying? And if you want to participate, participate. But don't be late. We appreciate y'all. Thank you for rocking with us. You know what I'm saying?
Ooh, this was delicious.
I'm Richie. If you're new, this is First Lady, aka Shanice. One and only, and they are.
You guys are the Greedy family. We know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and we appreciate you taking the time to come and watch us. We will see you guys next time for another what? Another mukbang, of course.
Bye.